to the dashboard page. Okay, it should navigate to a login page. Oh, okay. Okay, I think I should fix here a little bit. Then it should log in successfully and navigate me to the dashboard page. Yeah, this is the I should be logged in. Copy this and also fix it from here. This one is not. Okay, so after this, then what it will do then when I click on the user icon from the right top corner, not the click, actually I will hover over the user icon. So I will hover where it is. Here it is. Let's log in first. Uh, huh. So if I hover here, then it will actually, I will click on the my bio. Right now it does not. Oh, it is actually here. Yeah, we can do this, right?
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, okay. So what we can do, we can, where it is, here it is. Then right top corner, and I click on the my bio option, and then it should navigate me to the what, where, profile information
Profile
page, right?
information page,
Yep.
yes.
Profile information page. When I click on the edit icon beside the name field, okay, then when I input the updated name in the name field,
Then I can save it.
yeah, and here actually we don't, I think we don't need to save, we can just change here.
It
Let's
will go
say,
out, it will stay there.
yeah,
Okay.
let's say Pranto, something like this, let's say. So if I put here, oh, it does not do like this, right? See, okay, it does not do like this. So what we can do, we can do two ways. One way is we can actually put here another button just for the update, okay,
Mm-hmm.
like we can update this, or another way, like after I giving the name here, then if I click on the blank space or somewhere else, it will just
Yes,
set
it should take it, right?
automatically. Okay, so let's do the button one. So and I input update the name in the name field, and I click on the update button, then it should change the or update the name successfully. Okay, so medium risk is put 3, effort here we can put like 5 hours, something like this, and then the start date, end date, and there's all the things. Okay, so this was not in the enhancement, it is already there. Yeah, we need the update button, right? So we can also put this into the enhancement. So see, so this is how you can actually bring some more user stories, but before that you will have to actually explore the whole application. So what you will do, first of all, you will have to explore all the things. Okay, I think can we update my profile picture? Let's see, is it working? Oh yeah, it's working. See, I can create another user history for this, though it's not looking nice, but yeah,
Sweet.
we can actually update. We can add another user history that we can update the profile picture. We can add another user history that we can update the email address. Then we can add another user history that we can actually give the access permission. See, we can actually give the access permission with the different permission, like this LLC or limited will have different accounts, and in these accounts we can actually put like is it will it be able to create or update, delete what? Okay.
So
So
these
what?
user stories from no, not seller buyer. It cannot.
No,
From
no,
user
no.
side, can we do these things, these kind of permission? I didn't get this portion actually.
Okay, so this one actually, I think this one is not properly done. Okay, I
You
think this one
understood
is
what
not.
I am asking, right?
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
if it was a like seller portal or buyer portal, like so seller can give some
Yeah,
kind
okay,
of
okay. Let me explain this one. So this one is actually, I think this one is not completed properly. But what it will do? So you may have like multiple accountants in this application, right?
Okay.
Like in this organization, like your HR, your finance advisor, your CPA, then your accountants, like all those members will work on this application. Also, like your stakeholder, and also other the team members, they also be included in this application. So let's say your stakeholder does not like need anything, need to edit or update, right? So what you can do, you can actually set the permission, access permission to that your stakeholder that they can only read, and you can
Read.
put
Okay.
only disable all this, create,
Got,
update, delete. Okay, so that person only log in and that person only can read all the things. They cannot do anything there. But
got
your
it.
accountant, you can put accountant, they give the all the permission so that your accountant can create, update, delete, read all the things there, right?
Right, right.
So this is how, like, you will have to actually, if you want to give the any access permission, if you want to like specify the permission to any specific users, you can do that also. Okay,
Okay.
so this one is this, and then settings is right now is the same, but settings is not showing anything. Then also dashboard is nothing, also in the home also nothing. So in the limited or this company, you can actually add multiple user histories here. Okay, so like you can search, you can select the types, you can actually set the time range, then you can actually add the voucher, you can add the laser, you can actually check the trial balance, you can get the profit and loss, you can get the balance sheet, you can get the laser management, you can export the all the lasers into the JSON format or the CSV format or the XLSX format. Then you can print all of those. Then also you can uh, edit, you can edit the voucher, you can delete the voucher, you can print the voucher, right? So you can do a lot of things here. You can add the footer, you can add the header, or you can remove the header, you can remove the footer also. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
so all these things you can do. And then yeah, these the things, at least these are the existing functionalities are available here. So these are all the things you can work on it, right?
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, these are the user stories you guys can write on this. And you can then after writing all these things, then as I mentioned, that you guys should add some enhancement. And for that enhancement, you can actually, you can go to the QuickBook also. QuickBook is also another finance application, as I can remember. Then also some other, there are so many applications. I think you guys are also using some of the banking application and other financial applications. So you can actually go over those application also and get some ideas. Also you can add some the notifications things. You can also add some settings, and you can also financial, those things will be under the finance management. And also in the user management, I already said some of the user stories. So yeah, this is how we can actually explore. So do you have any question here? Like,
No, Pranto. We will try to do it.
Ms. Amrita, the thing, Mr. Prant and Mr. Ahmed, they said that we have to explore all these apps. Unless we understand how to navigate here and check each and every functionality, that it will be difficult to write the enhancement user stories. This is my idea.
yeah.
And we
So
need
you
to,
guys, what you guys do? You guys should sit together, okay? Then just go over an application together. Just register, then sign in. Then just go each functionalities. Then just note down all of those, and then just bring the user stories. Bring those into the user stories, right?
yes, that's a great idea, Ms. Amrita. We should allocate some time where we can sit together and we can navigate together and discuss and find out that where are the enhancement needed and how each button or icon works. That will be easier for us to write the user stories. Because personally, I had problems like with the previous assignment Mr. Pranto gave. I did not really explore the chat portal that much,
Mm-hmm.
so I really messed up. So the first step would be to understand the application very well.
Yeah, like every feature, every function, everything's like should be like solve something, right? There
Yes,
is like motive to get this function. So yeah, this all the things you should bring.
thank you.
Pranto sir, I will miss next session actually. I will be traveling that time. So after that, maybe next Tuesday, not coming Tuesday, next Tuesday, I will join our workshop.
Okay, we can actually discuss on this. Then let's see. Okay.
Sure.
Okay. So yeah, if there is no question, I have already added you guys on this project. So you guys can only work on this project. And also you can first fix the previous one. Like you guys have already the sprint. Oh, you guys
Yes,
have already the sprint. So yeah,
You
those
made
things.
it
So
actually. You created
yeah.
it.
you made it. We'll do and go over the enhancement and all the mistakes I have.
Mm-hmm.
And
Yep.
thank you for all the suggestion and feedback.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you for joining.
Thank you, Pranto sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank
Have a
you.
good day.
Thanks, Kaji
Bye.
You
sir.
too.